Welcome back to my channel Expressions. As promised, have you practiced the two different sounds of the vowel A? If you have done so, and if you mastered the two sounds, now it is time for you to move on to the next three sounds of the vowel A. But before we do so, I request you not to forget to share and subscribe to Expressions for more learning experience coming your way. The third sound of the vowel A is R, as in car, my car. Please notice, and I request you to observe carefully, that when I pronounce R, my lips are moving apart as in up and down. R. It's not sideways as in air, accident. No, it's alarm. So the words are car, answer, after, alarm, party, dance, last, chance. Right? I'll repeat them once again. Car, after, answer, dance, party, chance, last, alarm. Now, please observe where the A is coming in the spelling of the words as they are flashed on the screen. A very interesting observation regarding the pronunciation of the sound "a" as in car is that you may have heard people pronouncing dance, chance, and you might get confused what exactly is this. So before you get thoroughly confused, let me remind you that in Indian English we pronounce it as dance, chance, last, party, and the ones pronouncing it differently is following American English. While it is correct in that part of the world, you are safe, you are correct, and let nobody point out and catch you off guard. So remember my tip for the sound R. The next sound of the vowel A is O, as in watch. Some more words: wall, water, walk, talk, awesome, also, although, altogether. Here again, I will request you to observe the rounded way in which my lips are opening. Or, so I repeat the words: watch, water, wall, walk, talk, awesome, altogether, although. Please remember that this is how your lips should be opening for the pronouncing of the sound or. Now observe where the letter occurs in the words and repeat once again as I just did. And finally, we've reached the last sound of the vowel A. This is the sound A, which is most relatable to the way the vowel is pronounced. Examples of this sound would be late, L, A, late, snake, danger, April, any, many, and a name like Amy. Please notice and observe carefully how the lips are opening for uttering the sound A. It is not as wide up and down far apart as R, neither is it opening sideways as A. So it is a combination of both A, A. So, snake, late, danger, Amy, any, many. Observe carefully and do not make a mistake in pronouncing this sound because this is what most people get correct. So you shouldn't get it wrong. Now that we are done with the 5 sounds of the letter A, we will quickly go through all of them. The first sound is A, as in ant. An ambitious ant went to Andaman. The second sound of the vowel A is as in again, attracted. So, an example would be I am attracted to America for the quality of life it offers. The third sound of the letter A is A, as in car. You better dance or answer or get into the car. The fourth sound is aw. So the word would be wall. An example, look at the wall with the watch. The last sound of the letter A is the sound A, as in late. An example would be don't be late as there is a dangerous snake. Who said that the learning of sounds has to be very serious? I have created my own little story, if you didn't notice. An ambitious ant went to Andaman. Next, it moved to America, attracted by the quality of life it offers. There, it was asked to answer, dance, or to get into the car. The ant looked at the watch before it got too late and the dangerous snake came out. So, combine the different sounds of the vowel A and create your own hilarious story. Leave it in the comments for me to read. I'd really love to see how you've created your own story. And keep watching Expressions for more interesting tips are to follow.